Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever opened your Microsoft Store or any Microsoft app and found it suddenly switched to a language you can't understand, like Japanese or something else you don't recognize, in today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily switch the Microsoft Store back to your preferred language, no matter what it's set to. So, if you're ready to take control and make your experience a lot smoother, let's jump right in. Open Settings and type Language. Select Edit Language and Keyboard option. It is set to Japanese as seen here, which is a language I cannot read. I want to set it to English. Simply drag your preferred language to the top. If your preferred language is not in the list, click on Add Language, then search for it and install. When your preferred language is moved to the top, it will serve as default language for your Microsoft apps, including Microsoft Store. The language has changed to English. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe.